Heap sort. Today we are going to learn what is heap sort. So in heap sort it is required we know before that what is complete binary tree. So suppose if this is like that A, B, C. So this is binary tree also and complete binary tree also. And suppose if it is like that A, B, then this is binary tree and this is complete binary tree also, like this. But if it is like that, then it is binary tree but it is not complete binary tree. Binary tree but not complete binary tree, because first here it is going here right, but in complete binary tree first it go to left, then it can go to right. So first it could go to left, then only it can go to right, because here initially it go to right, that's why it is binary tree but it is not complete binary tree. So we can say like this also, like this. This is also binary tree but not complete binary tree. Fine. And because here you can say that it is going on to the left, not going to the right, but without completing first level it cannot go to second level, because here it is going left, first level, second level. So it is not correct. First it need to complete the first level, means left, right, then after that it will go to left, then it can go to the second level, because here it is going directly to the second level, that's why it is binary tree but it is not complete binary tree. And like this we take another example, like A, B, C, D. Here it is completing first level, then it is going to the second level. So this is binary tree also and complete binary tree also. So like that. So we can say simply a binary tree is said to be complete binary tree if and only if at every node without completing left don't go to right side, and after completing current level only go to next level. And we can say gaps allow only right to left but not left to right or in middle levels. What does it mean? It means like this. Like this. Gaps allow only right to left but not left to right. So this is complete binary tree, like this. This here we can say on right hand side it is allow but on left side it is not allow, and here it is gap. So this is not complete binary tree. Here right hand side gap, then it is complete binary tree, but here left hand side gap is there, so it is not complete binary tree. Or we can say this also like this. If we have something like this also, this is also not complete binary tree. Why? Because here this is a gap. This is not complete binary tree. So this is for all initial. Next we will see in the next lecture.